Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Krishu's Creation. And guys, I hope you all are fine and safe. And today I'm going to share with you a different video. ऐसा वीडियो मैंने अभी तक कभी भी शेयर नहीं किया. I'm going to show you how to crimp your hair, and after crimping your hair, how to style that. So before I start this video, you please make sure like, share and subscribe my channel, and please click the bell button to get all updates for my next videos. So without further talking, let's get started. So guys, before you start to crimp your hair, you have to do something with your hair, like you have to shampoo your hair and you have to comb your hair properly, and then you just go for that. सो हेयर क्रिम्पिंग करने से हेयर को कोई भी डैमेज नहीं होता है. जैसे नॉर्मल आप स्ट्रेटनिंग करते हो नॉर्मल स्ट्रेटनर से या कर्लर से कर्ल करते हो, ऐसा ही एक प्रोसेस है क्रिम्पिंग. सो अगर किसी के दिमाग में ऐसा कुछ है कि आफ्टर डूइंग क्रिम्पिंग हेयर तो कुछ डैमेज हो जाएगा हेयर का, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है गाइस. जस्ट प्रोसेस टू लुक योर हेयर स्टाइलिश. And so you guys can easily make it done if you have a crimper in your home. So crimper कैसा दिखता है, I am going to show you that first. Guys, can you see this crimps? It's looking so nice on my hair and I'm looking so good. I think so. So guys, you can also do this. It's very easy to do, and you already see that. Guys, after doing hair crimps, you need a hairspray definitely to hold these crimps, and I'm using here Godsway hairspray. You can use your choiceable one. So guys, can you see this? I think it's looking so gorgeous. And now I'm gonna show you how you can style your hair after doing crimping. guys like this video and ये वीडियो आप लोगों को यूजफुल एंड हेल्पफुल लगा होगा एंड आप लोग भी इस क्रिम्पिंग को ट्राई कीजिए अपने घर में इफ यू हैव अ क्रिम्पर इन योर होम एंड लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन आप लोगों को ये वीडियो कैसा लगा एंड आफ्टर डूइंग क्रिम्पिंग आप लोग कैसे इसको स्टाइल किया. And guys, I just show you few styles in my way, and you can style your hair in your way. So guys, that's all about this video. I'll be back with a new video very soon. Till then, take care, stay healthy, stay beautiful. Bye bye.